guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Brianna Nicole. And today's video is going to be on this install right here. It's really giving. It's really giving, y'all. Like, it is giving. And I'm so... I love it so much. So, wait. I'm not going to get into the hair details until you give this video a thumbs up. And you also subscribe and turn on my post notifications, okay? So, I'm going to give you a second to do that real quick. So, now that you did that, let's go ahead and get into the video, okay? Today's hair is from Eflin Hair. It is 18 inches and 180 density. Why can't I talk? This is 180 density, and it's not, I cut a little bit off, so it's not fully 18. But yeah, the lace is transparent. And I think it's giving me a real natural good look. Like, this is the best install I ever did in my life. Like, it is really giving, y'all. And I'm just... So if you want to see these pictures I'm going to post on Instagram, make sure you follow me on all my social networkings, okay? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the install of this video. And yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, I finally finished the install and I am in love. I am in love. Like, okay y'all, I gotta do my makeup and then I'll be back for the final result. Okay, let me change my lighting. Like, it's giving scalp. Oh. I can't believe this. This looks so good. Alrighty, I'm back. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. Edges is looking amazing. Like, this is the best I ever did my edges ever in a video. And this is an 18-inch wig. I cut it a little bit just to kind of make layers and make it look natural. Not natural, but like just better. I cut it a little bit and it's nice and flowy and fluffy. Like, so I hope you guys enjoyed this install. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. We're on the way to 10,000 subscribers. I know we're gonna hit it very, very soon. And yeah, make sure you check out this hair and check out the company Eflin hair. And yeah, make sure you follow me on my social network so you can keep up with every time I post, all that good stuff like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's only up from here.